Hello friends, in this video I will explain about how to implement SVR model, that is support vector regression model, using position salaries dataset. So before going further, let's have a look on the dataset, that is the CSV file which we have used. This is the position, this is the salary according to the position in the company. So this is the CSV file which we will be using. Now coming to the coding part. Now again, before proceeding, let's have a look on the output of the code. So this is the blue line is the predicted value and the red dots are the actual values. Now this is the code which we will be implementing. First of all, we will have to import some modules like NumPy, Matplotlib, Pandas. For importing these modules must be installed in your systems. Now here we are importing the dataset, that is position salaries CSV file using Pandas. Now we are fitting the SVR model to the dataset using sklearn module. We have used a regressor.fit this code to fit the SVR model to the dataset. Now using this chunk of code, we are predicting a new result, and here we can print the output. This constant, that is 4, it signifies the number of years a person has worked. Like it's 4 over here. If we'll let me run the code. Now you can see the value over here. Now when I'll change this to 6.5, suppose a person is having 6.5 years of experience, then now let's see the value. Now this is the salary and this is the position level. We are getting the output like this in this form because we have printed this ypred variable which is predicting the salaries of an individual according to their work experience and position in the company. Since we have used Matplotlib module, so it has multiple operations, like it can it is used for data visualization. So this chunk of code is showing that only. You can see after this chunk of code shows the graph. Here you can see it's looking very clear that the regressive prediction color is equals to blue. So this blue line represents the prediction which we have got, and this these red dots which I have initially mentioned represents the actual value. Here X level represent the position level and Y level represent the salary. Like X it represents the position level and this represents the salary, which is plotted, which is displayed over here. Now I have written this code to visualize the SVR results for higher resolution and smoother curve. Finally, we will get the output as The output is same because initially only we have used this code. So this is the output, this graph and this matrix which is displayed over here. So thank you so much.